Junkin' Foo over here in Porterville, so I just got a package that I sent for it. But yeah, this is a new toy. Anybody know what it is? I do. Got my handy cart to set in. Actually, this probably come from China. Am I supposed to wait for the virus to wear off? Guarantee you this is heavy. So we sold a zero turn a while ago. It did run. I didn't mess with it too much. I got it running. And I ended up selling it for $100, and I sold the Alice Chalmers I had out here that was giving me a hard time. It did run too, but I sold it for $100. No money into it, so I guess that's a good thing. I messed with them a little bit, but too many projects, so. Yeah, I got a little video uploading it. I'll wait to upload it before I do this one. Debbie was filming it, and we loaded the one tractor. She didn't even know we had it loaded. He said we could put them in the trailer sideways, so I just stretched the paint. Well, there it is. Thanks for stopping by. Oh, wait a minute, I'll show you a little bit more on that. So what we got here is a thumb for the old leaky backhoe. It was like $250, and I just sold. Today I sold $200 in riding lawnmowers, and the other day I sold the one for $300. So I usually do that. If I'm going to buy something, I usually make sure I sell a couple of things. It's kind of like going to draw the money out of the bank. If you got stuff around, you've got a pretty good idea to sell them, at least eventually. Let me forget where I put that. That's heavy. I am going to get my assistant to do the videoing. I'll be back. Okay, she's going to help me. You going to put your jacket on, Debbie? It's 40 below out here. No, it ain't warm. It ain't cold. It just ain't that warm, right, Debbie?
Right.
That way. Yeah. So this is heavy. Debbie, have you seen this before?
Picture. Oh.
I was gonna make one of these, or try to make one. I probably could have made one. The guy that brought it, he was complaining about how heavy it was. Of course, he was only maybe 25. He was complaining about loading it on the truck. I told him it was heavy. So what we got is that thing there. And I got something new. Got some bubble wrap.
Oh.
I got to get all that popped. These are the pins. Go through here. So this that is heavy. This right here gets welded. You throw that bucket right there, Dewey. Gets welded right in here.
This one. There we go. Right there.
Well, it probably needs to be straightened a little bit.
Yeah.
You like this will get welded roughly in this area. I have to clamp it on there and figure it out before I weld it. And then this goes inside of that first one and hooks to this thing. And then this,
Getting your workout.
yeah, this goes something like that. And hooks into, yeah, let's see how that goes. Yeah, that'll hook into there. This, got a couple brackets. You hold that again, Debbie. I do that little.
There's a piece over here.
Yeah. This is a bar that goes like this. All right. Back up and get a better view of it. Will you, Debbie, on the side over here behind me? Yeah, right there. No, over here. There you go. Yeah, like watch your toes. That's heavy. And this will be welded. I'll try to do it again. Just go inside here. Like that. That'll be welded there. Or duct tape.
I think welded would
Just
be.
stand like right here, Debbie. Get there you go.
Yeah.
And then here. These pins will actually line up in this hole here. This can go up a little bit, not too high. So it kind of looks something like that. So there's where some of my money is, I mean Debbie's money is going, that she took from me earlier. That's our plan anyway. Then you put the pins in it, so I got to get this cleaned up and get the backhoe fired up and turn that bucket a little bit and get everything adjusted. You put a couple tacks in it. I see there's a seam right there. I'll grind that down a little bit where I get a good connection. These guys are running their hot rods, their little cars. They got like a weed eater lawnmower, weed eater engines on them. I'm gonna go see if I can get them to bring it down for the video. Are you run out of gas? He blew it up. I just shut it off. Hey, Willie? Willie? That Ron? I was going to get a video. I'll get it. cool. Thanks. I'm gonna put it on YouTube, alright? Alright. Yeah, they got 2 or 3 of them over there, I guess. They fly them around there, and little weed eater engines on them. I guess they'll do about 50 miles an hour. And just a little race car over here in Coralville. Thanks for stopping by. Thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Goodbye now.